Hello, and thank you so much for joining me for this session today. This meditation will get started in just a few seconds, but I wanted to let you know that I have a new membership program as part of the YouTube channel. I invite you to see some really fun perks that it's going to have. Just hit the join button to check it out. And even just listening and subscribing is such a great support to this channel, so I thank you so very much. And now I will begin the meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation on Morning Stillness. Give yourself a few moments to settle in and to start to allow your mind to become more still. Whether you are seated or lying down, find a comfortable position that works great for you. And just let your body begin to relax. Begin to notice your breath energy, the movement of air in and out. And let your breath become your guide. If you like, you can soften your gaze or even let your eyes close, just remembering to keep your focus and attention on my voice and my suggestions. Continue to find the rhythm of your breathing in and out. And as you do, continue to find stillness in this present moment. No worries about the past or the future. As of right now, you are just here. And now I invite you to envision a place that you would enjoy being after waking up in the morning. Maybe it's stepping out on a back porch into a beautiful forest scene. Maybe it is seeing a sunrise come up over mountains. Maybe it's a cool morning in front of an ocean, feeling the sand at your feet. Maybe you're just sitting quietly in a comfortable room with a coffee or a tea. Whatever is your favorite thing to envision, just take it in. When you inhale, use it as a way to sense the space, to smell it, to visualize it. Take in those relaxing sights and sounds. Know that each moment is full of promise. Each moment helps keep your mind still and calm. Look around at the peaceful imagery that you see, whether it be clouds in the sky, a soft mist, the feeling of the warmth of the sun. And as you continue to notice your breath, feel the energy of a new day forming around you. Anything is possible this day. You are here with a fresh new start, an opportunity to focus your mind on whatever progress you would like to make today. Anything that you need to deal with, you can do so with a sense of calm and clarity, remembering the beauty of this imagined place. You feel grounded, awake, open to possibility. So now I invite you to simply repeat these brief affirmation statements. I will start them now. I begin my day with peace. I begin my day with clarity. I meet this day with calm strength. I'll repeat those one more time, starting with I begin my day with peace. I begin my day with clarity. I meet this day with calm strength. Great. And let these words settle in, just like the feel of warm sunlight. Know that right now, this is your fresh start. This is your stillness to allow the day to carry you forward. And as you begin to bring yourself back to your mind and body, I invite you to spend a few more minutes in this comforting space. But be sure to notice the ground beneath you, your body and the space that you are in, and that gentle movement of your breath. Before my voice drops away, I encourage you to carry the calm and clarity of this morning into the day ahead and into the days in the future. You are centered. You are awake. You are ready. Enjoy your morning stillness, and my voice will drop away right now. We are now coming up to the end of this meditation video. Thank you again for listening to Mindful Peace Journey.